Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to help you learn how to save Starmaker videos in your phone gallery. In order to do so, you'll need to download the Starmaker videos via an external website or an app. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To download Starmaker videos in your phone gallery, you'll need to go and download an app first. Go to your Play Store and search for Starmaker Downloader. Tap on the app that says Downloader for Starmaker and install the application on your device. Tap on the install button to download. Once you've downloaded the app, tap it open. Allow the app to save files by tapping on OK. Allow access to photos, medias, and files on your device by tapping on Allow. Now, go to your Starmaker application, tap it on, make sure you're signed into your account, and find any video you want to download. After you find the video you want to download, tap on the Share button at the bottom of the screen, copy the link of the video by tapping on Copy Link. Once the link has been copied, go back to the app that you just downloaded, paste the link in the box right here, and once you do that, tap on Download. You can see that the video that I just selected has appeared right here in the display, and it is already downloaded in your device. Simply go and check your gallery from your phone, and there you go. That's the video I was trying to download. It's pretty easy and quick to do. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.